You've mastered the basics. Zero shot, few shot, chain of thought. But what if you need more? What if the AI needs to think deeper, verify its own answers, or solve problems in entirely new ways? Welcome to Advanced Prompting Techniques. These methods go beyond the fundamentals. They make AI self-critique, explore multiple paths, write and execute code, and optimize its own prompts. These are the cutting edge. But here's the truth. These techniques are powerful but complex. They're not for every situation. Today you'll learn when they shine, when they fail, and how to use them strategically. What separates advanced techniques from basic ones? 3 key characteristics. Characteristic 1. Multiple steps. Basic techniques use a single prompt. Advanced techniques iterate through multiple prompts, refining at each stage. Characteristic 2. Self-verification. Basic methods trust the initial output. Advanced methods make the AI check and improve its own work. Characteristic 3. Explicit reasoning. Basic techniques hide the thought process. Advanced techniques expose every decision. The key insight. Advanced techniques are more powerful, but they're also slower and more expensive. You are trading efficiency for capability. Self-reflection is when you make the AI critique and improve its own output. It's like having a built-in editor. Self-reflection has 3 steps. Step 1. Generate an initial answer. Step 2. Make the AI critique its own answer. What's wrong? What could be better? Step 3. Generate an improved answer based on the critique. Here's the template. Prompt 1. Solve the problem. Prompt 2. Review your answer. What mistakes did you make? Prompt 3. Provide a corrected and improved answer based on your critique. 3 prompts. 1 conversation. Benefits. Catches errors the AI would miss on first try. Improves reasoning quality. Works for math problems, code debugging, writing improvement, and complex analysis. Let's see self-reflection in action. We'll ask ChatGPT to solve a math word problem. Then critique and improve its answer. First prompt. Solve this problem. A store offers 30% off. An item costs $50. You have a $5 coupon. What's the final price? Second prompt. Review your answer. Did you apply the discount before or after the coupon? Is that the correct order? Watch how the AI catches its own mistake. Third prompt. Provide the corrected answer. Notice how the quality improves dramatically with self-reflection. This is the power of making AI its own critic. Compare the results. Without self-reflection. Wrong order of operations. No verification. With self-reflection. The AI caught its own error and self-corrected. The answer improved through critique. Tree of thought makes the AI explore multiple reasoning paths simultaneously. Then pick the best one. Think of it as parallel thinking. Tree of thought creates a branching structure. Start with the problem at the root. Branch into multiple reasoning paths. Each path explores a different approach. Generate sub-solutions for each path. Then evaluate all options and pick the best. The template has 3 steps. Step 1. Generate 3 to 5 different approaches to solve the problem. Step 2. Explore each path in detail, working through the solution step by step. Step 3. Evaluate all approaches and select the best. This ensures you find the optimal solution. Tree of thought is best for complex problem solving with multiple valid approaches. Creative tasks requiring exploration. And when you need the absolute best answer, not just a good one. It's thorough but expensive. Program-aided prompting makes the AI write and execute code to solve problems instead of reasoning. In text, it uses computation. Here's how it works. You give the AI a problem. Calculate compound interest for 10 years at 5%. The AI writes Python code to solve it. The code executes, and the AI returns the numerical result. Perfect precision through computation. Why is program-aided better? Text reasoning gives approximations, rounding errors, and multi-step mistakes. About 1600. It might say, program-aided gives exact calculations with no errors. 1628.89. Precision matters. The template. Ask the AI to write Python code to solve the problem. Specify requirements. Use standard libraries. Add error handling. Print results. Include comments. Then execute the code and return the output. Simple but extremely effective. Use cases. Math and statistics. Data processing. Simulations. Any task requiring precision. If numbers matter, use program-aided prompting. Meta prompting is when you ask the AI to write or improve prompts. It's like having an AI prompt engineer. Meta prompting works like this. You describe your task. I need a prompt for classifying emails. The AI generates a complete, optimized prompt with proper structure, examples, and guidelines. You use that prompt in production. The AI becomes your prompt engineer. The Meta prompt template. Act as an expert prompt engineer. Generate an optimal prompt for this task. The prompt should include role definition, task instructions, format specifications, examples, and edge case guidelines. Return the complete prompt ready to use. Let the AI do the prompt engineering work. Why use meta prompting? It saves time on prompt design, incorporates best practices automatically, can generate variations for A/B testing, and improves prompts iteratively based on feedback. It's prompt engineering at scale. We mentioned self-consistency earlier. Now let's dive deeper. This technique generates multiple answers and picks the most common one. Self-consistency works like this. Take a problem. 23 times 17. Generate 5 independent answers. Maybe you get 391, 391, 387, 391, 391. Count the votes. 391 appears 4 times. 387 once. The majority wins. 391 is the final answer. Why does this work? 3 reasons. 1. Random errors don't repeat. If the AI makes a mistake, it's unlikely to make the same mistake multiple times. 2. Correct answers cluster. The correct reasoning path is stable, so multiple runs converge on the same answer. 3. Majority equals confidence. If 4 out of 5 agree, high confidence. If answers split evenly, low confidence. Run more iterations. The template. Loop from 1 to 5. Generate an answer to the problem. Store each answer. Count the frequency of each answer. Return the most common. Important note. Use temperature greater than 0 for diversity. Otherwise you'll get the same answer every time. Warning. Self-consistency costs 5 times more than a single answer. Use it when accuracy is critical and worth the extra cost. ReAct combines reasoning with action. The AI alternates between thinking about what to do and actually doing it. This makes it powerful for building agents. The ReAct loop has 3 repeating steps. First, thought. The AI reasons about what to do next. Second, action. The AI performs an action, like searching or running code. Third, observation. The AI reviews the result. Then the loop repeats until the task is complete. Let's see a concrete example. The task is to research recent AI advancements. First, the AI thinks about what it needs. Then it performs a web search. After observing the results, it decides to read one article. Finally, it summarizes the findings. Notice how reasoning and action alternate step by step. Benefits of ReAct. It provides a transparent reasoning process. It can recover from mistakes by adjusting future actions. And it is ideal for complex multi-step agent tasks. This pattern forms the foundation of many modern AI agents. Here's the hard truth about advanced techniques. They're powerful but expensive. Let's visualize the trade-off. On this chart, the x-axis is complexity and cost, the y-axis is accuracy and power. Zero shot is simple but limited. Few shot improves accuracy with minimal cost, chain of thought adds reasoning. Self-reflection and self-consistency boost accuracy further but cost more. Tree of thought is comprehensive but expensive. Program-aided gives high accuracy for specific tasks. ReAct is the most complex but handles autonomous multi-step problems. Notice the efficiency frontier. This line represents the best accuracy you can get for each cost level. Techniques below this line are inefficient. Techniques on the line are optimal choices. The key insight. Choose based on your accuracy requirements and budget constraints. Don't default to the most advanced technique. Start simple and increase complexity only when needed. So when should you actually use these advanced techniques? Here's a practical decision framework. Start with, is the task critical? High stakes? If no, use basic techniques. If yes, does it require multi-step reasoning? If no, try few short or simple chain of thought. If yes, can you afford 3 to 10 times the cost? If no, use selective advanced techniques like self-reflection. If yes, go full advance. Tree of thought, ReAct, or program-aided. This keeps you from over-engineering. The most powerful approach, combine techniques strategically. Here are winning combinations. Winning combinations. Chain of thought plus self-reflection for complex analysis. Few shot plus program-aided for code generation. ReAct plus self-consistency for agent reliability. Meta prompt plus tree of thought for prompt optimization. Mix and match based on your needs. Important warning. Combining techniques amplifies both benefits and costs. Two techniques together might cost 10 to 20 times a basic prompt. Only combine when the task justifies it. Let's wrap up with a quick reference guide. When should you use each technique? Quick reference. Self-reflection for math, coding, and writing. Tree of thought for complex decisions and puzzles. Program-aided for calculations and data. Meta prompting for building prompt libraries. Self-consistency for high-stakes accuracy. ReAct for multi-step agent tasks. Key takeaways. Advanced techniques are more powerful but more expensive. Start simple and increase complexity only when needed. Self-reflection, tree of thought, program aided, and ReAct are the core four. Combining techniques amplifies both benefits and costs. Always choose based on task criticality and budget. Here's your challenge. Compare basic versus advanced techniques. Pick a complex task. Solve it with basic chain of thought and measure time in tokens. Solve it with self-reflection and measure improvement. Solve it with tree of thought and measure quality. Then compare. Was the extra cost worth it? Document your findings. This hands-on comparison will teach you when advanced techniques truly add value. Congratulations! You've completed the Advanced Prompt Engineering series. You've learned zero shot and few shot, chain of thought, templates and frameworks, and cutting-edge advanced techniques. You now have the complete toolkit to build powerful AI applications. Master these techniques and you'll unlock AI's full potential. Good luck, and keep experimenting.